Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to upload high-quality videos on Facebook. To start, you will need to download VN application. This application will allow you to convert videos into higher qualities. Once you're here, select New Project. Then, once you select New Project, browse any of the videos over at your mobile phone and then choose to upload it here. Once you have selected, wait for the application to finish loading. This will now be loaded into your timeline. In here, select Export on the upper right. Then in here, make sure you switch the resolution and FPS to the most optimum settings. You can follow what I'm using here below. Export the video now, then wait for VN application to finish exporting your video. And then in here, give it a name, then select Save Only. Once done, close the VN application. Now open your Facebook application and then you can now choose to upload the video directly to Facebook. You know how to do it. Just open your Facebook application, go to your profile and then tap on What's on Your Mind. Once you're now here, you can choose to add photo or video. And then select the video that we have just recently made. Wait for Facebook to finish uploading and then you should all be good to go. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.